Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. If you own and operate a small business, you might feel overwhelmed by the laws relating to the hiring and firing of staff. Luckily, the Fair Work Commission provides a small business fair dismissal code and checklist to make your life a bit easier. The code and checklist are designed to assist small business employers in determining whether an employee's termination is lawful. According to the code, a small business employer can dismiss an employee within the first 12 months of their employment. In such a scenario, the employee is not entitled to make an unfair dismissal claim. Employers also have the right to dismiss staff due to business downturn or if the job is no longer needed. However, the redundancy must be genuine. If you are unsure about what constitutes a valid redundancy, you can refer to Section 389 of the Fair Work Act. Alternatively, you can contact Fair Work directly. It is advisable for employers to keep detailed records relating to the employment of staff. This includes details about when a staff member is dismissed. The need for detailed records is crucial if an unfair dismissal claim is ever made against the employer. In such an event, the employer will need to demonstrate that the termination was fair and compliant with the code. Records should include conversations with the dismissed employee and copies of any written warnings or notices. It's also good practice to maintain written records of employment agreements and workplace policies. This ensures the employee understands what is expected of them in the workplace. If you are a small business employer and would like to learn more about the Fair Dismissal Code and Checklist, check out the link to our article below. We also publish a wide range of employment contracts and documentation templates to make hiring staff easier.